Welcome to the CryptoNest. So it's been a very long time I didn't do any update on Agix. Honestly, it didn't really move. It was making this correction, and I believe now it's finished. And so I can say, let me take the brush here. Not that one. Here you go. So this, honestly, I cannot count it because it's too early to try to manage to do any charting. Here I can start to say, maybe this was a 1, this is a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And I can say that this maybe could have been a wave 1. Still need to work on my writing on the computer like that. And can we say that this is a wave 2? Well, if I do the fib retracement, you can see that we really did react to the 0.786. So I'm going to say yes. So for the moment, I can say that, this, I can consider this as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2. Now, it can go deeper, and because it's a new coin, is allowed to go deeper. And this could be just the A, and this is the B, and or maybe B is not even done yet. So if I zoom in a little bit, let me take the full screen now. Here, what I was trying to do, don't remember. So let me clean up a little bit. This, I'm going to move it on the side. Let me be a little bit faster. Okay, so this is where is allowed to go. So we said it did reach the 0.786. Now this could be just the wave A, this is the B, and maybe we're doing a deeper corrective movement. Is that possible? Definitely yes. Okay, so let me take the length of the wave A, and let's see this wave B. How did it do? Wave B here. So yeah, it did reach band on the 0.382. That's the minimum, and now we could see a wave C coming, right? So if I do that, then honestly it's going to be not good. Let me see that. So I take the length of the wave A and add it up to the wave B, and then I'll put the wave C. Am I on a log? Yeah, I am. That's why. There you go. So this is going to destroy the price. So I cannot say that locally. So we really need Agix to have completed this correction, and now this is the reversal. So it means this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is the beginning of the third wave. And so let's see that option now. Okay, so I take the length of this first wave, if we can call it first wave. Now, once again, I want to emphasize it's not a clear, can you see 5 clear waves? I mean, I can say this is a 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, and 5, but it's really a messy one. So I'm just going to go with the fib retracement, and then yeah, so we do see a reaction bend down on the 0.618. Also, this was DMA 200. So I can clearly say that maybe this is the 1, this is the 2, and now the third wave is ongoing. So if I try to say that, okay, this is maybe what it's trying to do. Now let me label a little bit stuff. So we said this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so come on, seriously? Okay, so this is 2. Where should we go ideally with this third wave? Okay, so once again, we take the length of the first waves from the beginning to the end. We go to the wave 2, and after that we take the setting for, did you do it? Where are you? Okay, let me change color so we can see it better. There you go. So this should be the length of, let me see here, what was that? It's a wave 2. Let me erase that. Clear chart. So also here, so we're going to have a first challenge here when we're going to, if we reach the 43 to 46 cents. And yeah, so this third wave will coincide with this previous peak here. And we're talking about 57 cents. And after that, we can manage to start talking about new higher high. Yeah, I think what I was trying to do there was price discovery target. So actually, this, let me put it in dark blue, so that we know that this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this should be the third wave. So let me put it here. There you go. And now I'm going to take the length of this wave 2 and do the price discovery. I think I did it before, but I think now it's going to be a little bit cleaner if it's out of the way of the chart. So price discovery. Okay, so it looks like I already did it before, and now with more recent levels, it's well, let's say more precise, if we can say precise with future. So if I do the price discovery of this wave, yeah, this pullback, then we're talking about barely $1, right? And if I take the length of the wave 1 and to the wave 2, the 1.618, it's 57 cents. What happens if I add the 3.618 here? Are we going to get $1? Oh well, that's pretty neat. Okay, so let's see how it gets. How high can it go? Is it actually going to go higher at that level? So those are all the questions that Agix will give us eventually in a few months. For a moment, until this trend is now broken, I don't know why it's not there anymore, it's not touching. Let me readjust a little bit. Okay, so until the price respects this trend, we're good to go. And for the moment, it's doing so, so no worry on that. Let's bring some indicators now. Okay, stock RSI is being oversold. And then once again, every time it's oversold, it does, reverse eventually, right? Now, the best entry would be to time the both RSIs and make your entry when they are oversold, right? So here was an excellent entry point. Here, not so much. Here, maybe a little bit. But you can see that, it's not a perfect science, but you still had the, fair gain, right? Now, if I go on the 4 hours, actually, if you're a long-term investor, and it's always nice to go and check your weekly, you can see that now the stock RSI, it was tipping into the oversold. So that's another sign for a long-term investment. Maybe it's something you want to consider. Now let's jump back on the 4 hours. And 4 hours, you can see that it's a different story, right? So I guess here we can also put a trend here. If you are short-term, we're talking about short-term investment. Yeah, price can really, it wouldn't hurt if it goes back to this level here. Actually, this would be an amazing entry point in my opinion. So this is what I'm going to monitor now. Also, if I zoom in, we can see that MA50, it could act again as a support. And what else? We do have quite of a zone here of support as well. So this 21 cents, it would be a nice level of support. And once again, this uptrend line. Now on the 1 hour, so why? Yeah, some people ask me why you keep jumping from 1 hour to 4 hours to daily. Well, let's say on the weekly you find the stock RSI it's oversold, right? Then you go on the daily and said, is this more accurate? Is something that I can see? Let's say for the daily you can see that it's oversold, right? Overbought, sorry. So I wouldn't jump now, right? So if you go lower on the 4 hours, you can see also that the stock RSI it's overbought, and on the 1 hour you can see that we are oversold, but the only on the stock RSI, the RSI it's not there yet. So you want to wait for ideally the 4 hours and the 1 hour to kind of be on the same direction. So you want to be oversold on both of those two, and then you can say, okay, now maybe I have an entry point, but that's just an extra, that's a bonus, your RSI. It's really the price action that counts. So if price goes lower and it touched the MA 50 and it touched the uptrend, and then you have the two RSI that they are oversold, then you have many things in confluence to tell you, okay, this should be kind of the bottom. I have a few resistance, price action, it tell me that this is a pivotal point, and then I would go in, right? So this is what I'm looking now for Agix personally to scale in more, because I already have some Agix. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Agix for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.